In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you change subtitles in Jio Hotstar. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how check if you're trying to change the language of your subtitles inside of Jio Hotstar. In today's video, let me show you how it is done. Now, the one thing that you need to know, it will only show you different languages of subtitles if that particular movie or TV show provides. If the movie or TV show does not provide subtitles in multiple languages, you won't be able to change it. So for example, if you open up any movie or TV show and head over to the settings, you'll be able to see the section called subtitles. Now in this case, there is only one option, which is English. This particular movie does not provide the option of multiple languages and subtitles, but you can check for yours. Open up the movie that you're trying to watch. Head over to the subtitles list, and if you see only English, that means this movie does not have multiple language options. If it does, you're gonna see all of the languages right here beneath English, and you can just tap on it and the subtitle will be instantly enabled. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.